Autotek, and I'm here on a Saturday morning at 6 a.m. to talk to you about the most important thing on the road, you. We want to keep you on the road, we want to keep you rolling, we want to get you on that road trip, and we want you to have fun this summer. That's why today, on the 4th of July weekend, we're here at 6 a.m. getting things done. Now, there's two vehicles behind me that actually have something very similar in common. We've got a Hyundai Sonata and a Chevy Suburban. What could be in common? Well, both came in over the weekend. Both are failures that we're told by local dealerships wouldn't get even touched or looked at until Monday. Both are vehicles that are going to get out of here today, and both are out-of-state owners that are in a hotel room and are going to save a buck because of the folks here at Saul's Autotek. So if you've got a concern about your vehicle, you've been told it can't get done in time, or you've got a concern about getting it on the road and getting home, come and see us here at Saul's Autotek. We're going to keep that road trip rolling. We're going to get you and the family on the way, and we're going to get your car on the road as quick as possible. 7 days a week, 365 days a year, even if it means sending the driver 100 miles to get your part, or sending the driver 100 miles to pick you up, or even 100 miles to get you your rental car. We're going to take care of you. So whether it's Utah or Texas, if you're coming to Colorado, we've got you covered. Saul's Autotek in Greenwood Village, 303-919-7769.